What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. This is day 7 of 7 after a little break of calling exactly where the market will go. I mean, I even just called this little move here, right here. I'll try and show you that here at the end. Um, so, um, we've had a little break between the videos, and I I found out my stepmom has cancer about a week and a half ago or so. And then right before Thanksgiving, we found out some good news that it was only stage 1, and it hadn't spread. So that's my explanation for the little break. Now that I am back, and we're kind of back on track, I'm going to get back up and we're just going to pick up right where we left off. So this is the 7th day of me doing it, even though it's not 7 in a row. I just wanted to be upfront, transparent about everything. So that's where we're at. So like and subscribe, and we'll see how long this streak can go. Again, I'm going to do 30 trading days, and see how many I can call correctly. This is now 7 out of 7. So like and subscribe, so you don't miss this, so I don't miss any. Today. What did I call properly today? Well, I told you we had a ton of support around this 601, 602 area. And then if we dropped even further, we had even more support. Even though it wasn't super obvious at before the bell, which sometimes you could tell, sometimes you can't. Today was kind of the day where you saw all the support, so you kind of knew we were going to head up. But I couldn't tell you that exactly right before the bell. However, I did tell you exactly where to enter the plays. So obviously, again, you can follow the infinity indicator, which was perfect today. Um, or You can follow in the Discord. And again, we have the free Discord in the comments. If you want access to that, just go to the comments. And if you want to try this infinity indicator, go ahead and comment below that you do want to try this indicator. And I'll give you a free trial on it. So, um, so the move that I called, let's go to that. So at and oh, I called this one too. I'll show you. So at 1:35 today, essentially for the people that missed this move, I said look to get some contracts filled in that 603 area. That would where I'd be looking for a bounce at. Okay, so I said that today at 1:35 p.m. Again, that's Eastern time. 135. Let's go to 135. 135. 135. Okay. Right around here is when I called it. Okay. So I saw we were getting a little toppy here. I said, let's look for the pullback. And where's going to pull back to? It's going to pull back to that 603 area is what I said. And you can see about 45 minutes, 40 minutes or so later is when we hit, literally we hit 60. Let me look at this candle. 603, whatever this is. So essentially 603 and change, okay? And then we bounced pretty much right off that area and up and away we went, okay? And then I also called this out here as well. So that was just one of them. But if you look at the message prior, so again, look at that bounce at 603, which I just showed you. And then Here, a few minutes before, I said, unless we break out over 604, we're just going to consolidate here for a bit, would be my analysis. Okay. Let's see what happened. So then if you, and that's why I said we can get in on that dip, because I knew we were going to consolidate. I didn't know. I don't know anything. But I had a very, very, very good idea that we were going to consolidate in this area between the 604-ish area here to the 603-ish area. So that's why I knew we could get in on this dip. And if you look, we never ended up breaking out over 604. Not really. We just rejected it and head back down, and we're still consolidating in that area. Okay. So where do we go next? Well, if you watch my Fibonacci video, you know exactly where we're going. So go ahead and go back to that, or just follow along, join in the Discord, or just follow along tomorrow. But you got to be in the Discord if you want that information before the bell, or during the day. Like, for instance, all that information I just told you, that was all free information. So all you had to do was follow along in the chat today. And I don't do that every day, just again, to be clear, but today I gave all that information out for free, and it played out almost perfectly. So anyways, that's all I got. Appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.